I think you're gonna really like this tutorial. I'm not even gonna have an intro, we're just gonna rock with it. Today, let's create this Big X the Plug style graphic in less than 5 minutes. First things first, let's make a loose selection around the area you wanna highlight, and we're gonna use the lasso tool to do this. It doesn't have to be perfect either, just a rough outline. Next, create a new adjustment layer using this icon and clicking brightness and contrast. In the Properties tab, adjust the brightness to your liking. Then click the layer mask, which will bring up the density and feather, and adjust the feather to your liking. Now let's create another adjustment layer by clicking here, and then let's click exposure. Then replace the mask with the brightness contrast mask by holding down Option or Alt and dragging up the mask. Then click OK. Then hit Command I on the keyboard, or you can click right here to invert this layer mask. Now adjust the exposure to your liking as well. Then click the mask and also adjust the feather to your liking. Next, let's create a blank layer by clicking here, then grab the brush tool. Adjust it to a small size and make sure it has soft edges. Find a color that will match against the skin tone slightly, but with a bit of a golden addition. Now roughly draw around the edges using that same brush with the soft edges, and we're just going to make sure it's around the glare selection. Then let's scroll through the blending modes to find an effect that'll slightly boost the skin color a bit. I'm going to go with lighten, then adjust the opacity to about here, let's say 37, and actually I'll change this to soft light. After that, just add some camera raw filters that I'm always talking about and take something like this to this in a matter of minutes. And here's a little graphic design polish to complete this. And that's all I got in the YouTube tutorial category for today. My camera said I'm at 10% battery anyway, so I gotta go. Bye.